Hello everyone. In the videos we've done so far, we've been sticking to a series like circles, triangles, integrals, and so on. Now we'll take a short break from integrals and focus on something just as important: limits and derivatives. In the question, we're given an expression, and we're asked to find the value of the limit. Let's bring the question over to the left side and start solving. With limits, the first thing you usually try is plugging in the given value, just in case it gives you a result. But usually, you don't. If it worked right away, it would be too easy, right? Most of the time, you end up with something undefined, and that's what makes it more interesting. Still, let's stick to tradition and plug the limit value in. Maybe we'll get something useful. When we plug in x equals 1 into the expression, we get 0 divided by 0. So now, we'll look for a way to simplify this expression. The denominator can actually be factored quite easily. It can be written as 1 minus x times x minus 8. Right now, nothing cancels out. But take a look at that 1 minus x part. We can break that down a bit more. The numerator can be factored as 1 minus square root of x times 1 plus square root of x. Now we have 1 minus square root of x in both the numerator and the denominator, so they cancel each other out. And this is what we're left with. Now let's plug in x equals 1, again for the limit. We get 1 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 times 1 minus 8, which becomes 1 over 14. So the correct answer is choice D. Nice and clean, right? In the upcoming videos, we'll be solving more problems on limits and derivatives. See you in the next one.